Hi, it's Susan Edwards at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway in historic downtown Paducah, where positive energy works. And I wanted to ask you a question about energy. Do you ever get what I call an energy headache? It's like you're around a lot of high energy people, or a lot of stress, or a lot of crystals. And all of a sudden you're just like, you want to jump out of your skin, your head's pounding. You don't really have a headache, but you just feel like your balloon's about to bust. Yeah, me too. So what we're going to learn in this video is how to handle an overload of energy. So stick around. All right, so welcome back. All right, so we're talking about how to handle an overload of energy from whatever source, whether it's crystals or people or a stressful situation. So let's pretend that this is you and this is your aura. And this is your everyday aura size, and it's just this little wonderful bubble around you. And the pitcher of water is going to represent energy. So we're designed to, what is that, maybe a pint? I don't know, maybe let's call it a pint. So we're designed to handle a pint worth of energy comfortably. So if all of a sudden I am pouring energy through too many crystals, too much drama, life, okay, and then all of a sudden, wah, I overload. And so what choice does the energy have but to spill over and make a mess, and you've got a pounding headache going on. So what do you do about that? Well, if you can avoid stressful situations and big crowds, that's fine. But, life is not like that. You gotta go to work, you gotta go to the store, you gotta be around people, high energy people. And if you're lucky like me, you get to be around crystals all day. That's another story. So what can you do? Well, you can get a bigger container. So in this example, what I can do, let's see if I can do this without making a huge mess, is I can take my overloaded vessel, I've made a mess, and I can pour it into my bigger container, and I've still got plenty of room. In fact, I got room for more, right? No problem. So the question is, how do you do that? I mean, it's all very nice that I've got like bigger pitchers. Okay. But how do you do that? Well, let me explain how I do it. There's like 2 or 3 ways, and I'm going to show you all of them. Okay? So hang on. So life has delivered too much energy, and your normal aura size isn't containing it very well, and you're feeling like you're going to explode. Okay, here's how I do it. There's a couple of ways that you can do it very simply. The first one is to make your container or your aura larger. So get yourself quiet, take a nice deep breath. Keep your eyes closed, because in your mind's eye, you're going to take your aura and you're going to push it out. You're going to push it out, out, out until it's 2 or 3 times its normal size. So it's no longer this size of a container. Now it's going to be this size of a container. So as you can see, I've got a much bigger aura around me, and I've got plenty of space in my aura to accommodate all this extra energy. I actually just wanted to wash my hands, which is never a bad idea, right? So you've pushed your aura out, and just keep expanding your aura until you start to feel a little more comfortable. But now what's going to happen is you need to recalibrate your third eye. So you're going to take these 2 fingers, and you're going to gently tap your third eye center, tap, 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 and you're just going to say, I'm recalibrating my third eye to accommodate this larger aura. Okay? And so now you're not going to feel disoriented. You might feel a little disoriented if you've suddenly expanded your aura and you've got all this extra energy. So that's why you want to recalibrate your third eye to accommodate your bigger container. So once that has been done, you should start to feel some relief within just a few moments. The other thing that you can do is, I like to, green is a great color frequency to get rid of excess energy. So what I do is I create a green fire or a green pit, you know, just like swirling green energy. I like the green fire myself. It's a cool fire. And so that is where I'm going to throw all my excess energy. So I'll actually kind of bend over this imaginary fire, and I will take my hands, which I now have these energetic Velcro gloves on, and I'm just gently scraping off any of this excess energy, especially if it's energy that's not feeling very good, like it's like caca. You know, somebody in your energy was real negative or something. So I'm just going to kind of scrape off the excess, and I'm going to throw it into the green fire. Now, I like to make noises. Psst. Okay, it just helps my left brain understand that I'm actually getting rid of something and throwing it into the fire. So I'll scrape, 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 psh, and I'll keep doing that until I start to feel some relief. Now, I set my intentions that I don't pull too much energy off of my chakras or my aura. I'm just simply getting rid of any excess. And I'm going ahead and getting rid of it into the fire. I've got a bigger container so that I've spread it out a little bit. I've diluted it a little bit. I'm pulling off the excess. And then if it's appropriate, get out of that situation or back away from the negative people or whatever you need to do to sort of get back to normal. Once you're back to normal and you're feeling relief, you want to remember to bring your aura back to the regular, normal, balanced state. So you close your eyes again, you take a nice deep breath, and you just visualize your aura coming back in from this larger container, okay, back into your normal size container, which is perfect size for your body. Don't forget to recalibrate your third eye. So again, before you open your eyes, you're going to just have the intention, I'm all wet. You're going to have the intention to recalibrate, tap, 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 and I'm just recalibrating my third eye to accommodate my proper size aura. And then just feel it come back in until you feel it's balanced and you feel steady and grounded. Reground yourself and then see how you feel. If that took care of the excess energy, then you're good. You're good to go. If it didn't, you can push your aura back out again. You can do some more scraping. You can, actually there's another way you can do it. And that is, okay, so you got this balloon and it's like boom, boom, boom. It's too big. So you know how when you take a balloon and you go, you can do that. So just, you can imagine that this is your big balloon, okay? And it's not big enough yet, so just take it and kind of like let a little air out and just envision that it's just going back out to source, and it's just being recycled. It's kind of like, you know, hot air and, oh, that sounds good. Oh, I like that tone. Sorry, I got distracted. So you're just going to let that air go, that energy, and let it go out into source and be dissipated until you're back down to the normal size energy container that feels comfortable and that you're not feeling so like you're going to explode. So I hope that helps. A couple of easy ways to take care of excess energy. We all get it sometimes. Sometimes it's wonderful stuff. I mean, exciting things are happening, good things. You're getting married, you're getting a new job, you're starting a new job, you're around some exciting new friends, whatever it is. It may be good stuff, but you can still get overloaded with energy. And here's just a couple of things that you can do to get balanced again. So I hope that helps. Please like and subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the little bell, and that will tell you when I get a new video put out there. And please, down in the comments below, let me know about some of your experiences and if you try my experiment and see how it works. Please let me know. I hope you're having a great day. It's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway in historic downtown Paducah. Positive energy. It works.